This installation guide is for a Lexus GX 460.
Hey, what's up you guys? If you're going to be using your Lexus GX 460 to tow a trailer, you definitely need to get the trailer lights and trailer wiring on the vehicle installed. It's the law. But guess what? Lexus did a great job on prepping this vehicle for towing. The wiring is pre-existing. Here is our 4-flat, the most standard out there for utility trailers, boat trailers. And the larger 7-round here is going to be for your larger trailers that have trailer brakes, horse trailers, travel trailers, anything of those sorts. And that'll do it for our wiring video.
To learn more about the product seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.